Total, 3,175. Women's League, 11,000 for administration building. Natasha and Sophia, Women's League National Office to. Natasha Sophia, monthly dues, 1,165. Light quota, 40. For Dunya Helen, 125. Light donation, 500. Total, 1,895. Sarah Kisel, monthly dues, 3,225. Masaysay Dinaga, monthly dues 3,140 is 3,392 pesos. Dunya Hosteniana, Tabos total 8,528. For New Nazareth, monthly dues annual dues 970, monthly 90 total 1,665. For Dinaga chapters, we are able to collect 1,607 tapos sponsoring guys. Our total collection